think I'm perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. It's just perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm perfect.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's good, Cody? What the hell was that? Yeah, so as you guys see right here, I have my stickers to go right here on this windshield banner. What you guys say about that, Cody? Damn, I can't even see a car. You should call your car the Dark Knight.
Might as well.
Might as well.
Can't call it Dark Knight no more because the wheels.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, if y'all guys didn't know about the rims, about the whims. Yeah, look at them. Not Dark Knight no more.
Like Cold Knight.
The Cold Knight.
Cold Knight.
Shit,
Jerry got to level 50 on.
He got who?
Need the speed.
Who?
Need the speed. We got our group to level 50. So we got that Ferrari now.
Damn.
Join us, bro.
Yeah, I might as well.
I said you played Need for Speed.
I still got it installed.
That shit was so.
Look.
Like, when I'm telling you, that shit was like so annoying. Dog.
Bro. Then I got this going on the back too. I don't know where I'm gonna put it though.
Under that.
You right under here?
Yeah.
But it's gonna
Right
cover
there.
up the cause see, that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna have to
No, just put it right here.
I should put it like this.
No, just put it right there.
Should I put it like this?
No, just put it right there.
Like right here?
Yeah.
Alright. Hey. Hey you. Hey you.
Boy, if you don't get
Yeah. Yeah. I'ma get back with y'all in a little bit, but I know it's like late as hell, but we trying to do our best. So, yeah, I'll be working. But yeah, I'll get back with y'all in a little bit, and stay tuned for more. So yeah, guys, we trying to figure this damn thing out right now, as you guys see. But yeah, what y'all think about the lettering though? It's dope. Leave a comment down below. I think this shit gonna be cold as hell going across my windshield, to be honest. I should have got a longer one. You think so? 44 inches good. Okay. So yeah, this is gonna complete the whole front windshield of my car. I've been thinking about getting this for I don't know how long. And the Snapchat one, we're gonna put that one on. That's gonna be a whole lot easier than this, to be honest. So yeah, I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. We got Cody on the keys, scratching the surface like it's a DJ scratch. Get that shit. Hey, let me stop. All right, bro, I'll catch y'all a little bit. All right, y'all, so now I got the YouTube shit on my front windshield finally. You know, thanks to Cody over there.
The sticker man, babe.
The sticker man. So yep, now people know who I am when I be driving around now. So that's the good thing about that. But yep, now we just working on the back part right here with the Snapchat.
Coronavirus.
Huh?
Coronavirus.
Yeah. COVID-25.
I'm gonna get that sticker made. Coronavirus.
Nah, I'm gonna say fuck Corona. I'm gonna put that bitch in the corner. Shit. Hell no. But hey, man, you know what I'm saying? We got the YouTube shit on there now, so I'm happy about that. I'm really happy about it. So yeah, now I got that put on, and a few more things is gonna be added to this car before I change the color. Cause the color that I have right now, as you guys can see right here, that's gonna be the real color of my car. I just wrapped this, so it's done. And I just wrapped this, so I'm about to actually paint the car purple. There's more things coming, I'm telling you, because I know. He knows what I'm about to do. So yeah, guys, as you guys see right here, I got the old Jew, you know, the old Jew 300, Hey, you said 300? No, let me stop. No, old juice 360, you know what I'm saying? Now I got the real Snapchat right here. I don't know. I might put, cause I accidentally ordered 2 different ones, and I did the black letters, which was stupid. So what I'm probably gonna do is I'm probably just gonna chop, like slice right through here, and just slap the YouTube on, and I'll probably put it like on the top part up here. I don't know. Let me know if you want to see that. But as you guys see, these are the things that I do have on the car as of right now. There's gonna be more stickers coming, trust me. It's gonna be it's gonna be all the way down to my damn, it's gonna be down here, all right? But yeah, that's that. So we good. Got the Obey juice on here now, so that's good too. And yeah, but I'm gonna get back with y'all in a little bit though, and yeah, catch you in the next one, bro.